busy from September onwards in the packing studio with all the kit orders that are coming in, that the only bit of artwork or creative anything that I get to do is printing my own boxes. This is the box to my top-end ultimate print kit. I hand stamp the boxes or hand lino print the boxes so that my customers are actually receiving, I guess, a piece of art as well as a kit at the same time. So here's a little clip of how it's done.